Hi friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of not responding on the application of DeepSeek. You will click on settings as you see and you will enter on settings like this. Here in this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this window of apps you will search about DeepSeek and you will click here. After that, in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by liking.